Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a different one because I'm going to be completely changing my hair. I'm here in quarantine. I'm going to need to go to the salon soon where I work to get my hair redone. It's going to be too long and stuff like that. So whilst it's still looking okay, presentable, fine, I thought I'm going to cut it off and re-bleach it before it starts to get long and bushy and doesn't look so good. Now, because I am a hair colorist, I have a lot of the stuff that I need already here at home with me, which makes it slightly easier. I have got these products from Bleach London, which I'm going to use today. There's like a bleaching kit and a Violet Skies, which is like a pastel purple toner, which I will use afterwards. But first of all, I need to get the clippers out and shave it all off. So I've got clippers here, so I'm going to go like dramatically shorter. I'm literally going to shave it all off. It's not obviously going to be bald, but it's going to be really kind of short, more like it is at the shortest point, which is down the sides. I'm going to start with a grade 3. So these clippers come with different grades. You know, they go from like 1 up till, I don't know which number they go up to, but they go up higher. And the higher the number, the longer it is. I'm going to get started with a number 3, which I have here. So I'm going to put that on and start to shave it off. Wish me luck. I look kind of crazy. Most of it's off. I can still feel I've got some at the back. So I have to say, I actually really like it short. I thought I never normally go like this short all over, but I'm not freaked out. I like it. I'm glad I didn't go to a number 2 because I think that would have been too short. Number 3 is just right. But as you can see, it really needs the bleach. So I've got it here, this one. This is actually one of the stronger ones. By the way, the sun's coming outside, so it's going to go quite bright. Now this is with 30 vol developer. It says here 30 volume 9%, like here. Now that's definitely on the stronger side. Usually I would use 20 volume, but that means that it will lift up nice and light. I haven't washed my hair in the last 24 hours. That's a good tip if you're going to bleach your hair. Do not do it on freshly washed hair because it will burn like crazy. It might burn anyway, but there's less chance of it if you don't have freshly washed hair. So if you can leave it for a day, 2 days, not too long, because then the grease will cause a barrier, but that will help you out. So I'm using just something from the kitchen. I have actually got like a proper brush from the salon, which is good, but I haven't got a bowl, so I'm just using this from my lemon squeezer, sorry. Lemon squeezer, lemon juicer, you know what I mean. So that's mixing up into this nice paste. I've got this t-shirt on. This is an old t-shirt. It's definitely going to get bleach on it. I don't care about that. So yeah, that's absolutely fine. So I'm going to paint as much as I can on camera. I can't see properly. Do you like my gloves? I can't see properly. So I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some on the camera, but then I'm going to do the rest in front of the mirror, which I would advise you to do as well. When bleaching your own hair, remember that the hair around the very front tends to be a little bit finer, and that will mean that it will lift lighter, faster. So leave that hair out, especially if your hair is finer, because just paint it last, because otherwise it will develop faster and it will be more likely to break, and it's the hair around here that tends to break the first anyway. So just kind of bear that in mind. I'm also going to need to get Christian to help me just look at the back to make sure that I haven't missed any spots. And also, when bleaching your hair, more is more in terms of you need to apply it very, very thickly and generously to make sure that it develops evenly and lifts light enough. But I'm going to do the rest now in front of the mirror. So now this is all on, I'm going to leave it for around 45 minutes and check. I've already looked in the mirror. Right now it's kind of lifted to an orangey colour. So I will just keep lifting that until it gets to a nice pale colour. Because it is with the stronger developer, I'm thinking it should be ready after 45 minutes. Normally I would leave it on for about an hour, but we'll see. So this has been on for more than 45 minutes. It's been on for close to an hour. And it is that kind of creamy pale yellow now, which is what it should be when you rinse it off. So just beware when you're bleaching your hair. When you can see the bleach on the hair, it always makes the hair look blonder and whiter than it actually does. So the colour that you think that the hair is, always imagine it's going to be considerably more yellow than it looks, because the product is obviously bright white, so it does make it look, it makes the colour look better than it will once you have rinsed it and just rough dried it without a toner. But I can kind of see that this is going to be like it's going to be yellow, but it's going to be a nice like pale creamy yellow, which is exactly what you want it to be. So here is the finished result. It looks super blonde. There's like a tiny bit of yellow in, which you would need to tone that out for it to be perfect. I've got this colour here, which is the Violet Skies. This isn't, do you like the yellow gloves? This isn't typically a toner, just so that you know. This is like a pastel, like crazy colour we call them. So you can see here it's this purple colour. It's like purple poo. I'm just literally going to rub it in. Again, I'm going to kind of start to show you, but then I'm going to go and do it in the mirror. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this colour. It looks so pretty. I think I am going to leave it on for a little while longer. I look like a My Little Pony. Leave a comment if you loved My Little Pony when you were little. I never had one, but I always wanted one. My hair goes quite far down my neck, so I've had to be very careful to make sure that I get like every single hair, because again, like if you miss a hair, especially like in the front here, it's gonna look crap. So here we have the finished result, and I have to say I really, really like it. I mean, it's so fun. I love this kind of pastel-y purple colour. It's just, yeah, it's mad. It's so like, it's such an unnatural colour. No one would naturally have the hair this colour, and I really like it. I was kind of like unsure whether to have like this kind of colour or more of a pink, but I think because my skin tone is quite pink naturally, I think that this would suit me better than a pink colour. But I think that this is a fun thing to do whilst we're all staying inside and keeping safe and keeping everyone else safe. So I think that this is a fun way to experiment with something different. I'm not sure normally if I would have shaved my hair so short. I probably, you know, would have bleached it again, definitely, but probably not so short, and I'm not sure if I would have been brave enough to kind of go for this kind of tone, but I really, really like it. It's fun and it will wash out. And yeah, I hope that you enjoyed seeing the transformation from me kind of shaving it off to bleaching it and then toning it this colour. It was definitely a bit frantic trying to film all the different processes, but it was fun, and I'm glad that I've got it all documented to see the before and after. So if you would like to see more hair related videos on my channel in addition to the skincare, then let me know in the comments below. If you have any ideas for future videos that you would like me to do, because obviously I've got lots of time right now and I will be making more videos, then also let me know in the comments below. But either way, I will be back very soon with another video. Don't forget to stay safe, take care of yourselves, and I will see you very soon.